Welcome back, Flamingos. Today I'm going to go over my top 5 along with a bonus of my things that you should pack on your next Disney cruise. Hey guys, so one of my absolute biggest tips for anybody first time on a Disney cruise is to bring a refillable cup of some type. This was my Tervis. I absolutely loved it. And then I also used this one here by Tal. It came with a straw and it seals, and it's been pretty good overall. It is not dishwasher safe. The cap is, and I've done the straw, but this part is not. And same with this. This is not dishwasher safe. This has been fine in my top rack of my dishwasher. But what you'll want to do with these is you'll want to go up to the pool deck and fill it up with your complimentary drink choice. Coffee, tea, soda, water, whatever, and just carry it around on the ship with you. This is an absolute must. Because otherwise what they give you are these small little like kitty cups, basically like a kitty cup, and this is way better. Any type of drink you want to do, everything that I'm going over, I'm going to have down in the description a link to, if not the exact same products, similar products for you guys to check out. All right, so my next tip for you on your next Disney cruise or your first Disney cruise is a beach bag. And this one was gifted to me, and I love and adore this thing. So it is mesh, so it dries, holds wets pretty good, and it has this wonderful feature here at the bottom. So it's like a cooler. So it helps keep things cool and not get so hot. This was excellent on the beach. Now, Disney does provide you with towels, so you don't need to bring a beach towel. However, my husband and I, we try to use sunscreen as much as humanly possible, especially him because he's very fair-skinned. So it was really good to keep all of that in this bag, in this bottom part, so it didn't get hot and icky. And I also kept it inside a Ziploc bag in here. So this is excellent. I highly recommend it. I also carried around my own personal snorkel gear because you know, the snorkeling on Castaway is amazing. And if you haven't done it, you should absolutely do it. Okay, so number 3. Another fun thing that I was gifted is this cute waterproof cell phone pouch thing. And some of the pictures that I took while snorkeling was with my own phone inside of this, and it worked beautifully. You can get all kinds of these in different colors, different styles. My recommendation is to just make sure that when you get yours, you check it out at home, like fill up your bathtub or fill up a sink and submerge it, put like a paper towel in here and just make sure that it doesn't get wet on the inside, you know, because manufacturing is, well, it's not perfect for being honest. So make sure you check it, but mine worked out beautifully. Highly recommend this. All right, number 4, clips. These clips are amazing. They are so good for so many things. So again, Disney does provide you towels, so you don't need to bring your own towels. But on the pool deck, it gets windy, and these bad boys are nice and wide and will clip your little towel to the pool chair that you are hanging out on and keep it all nice and tidy and not let it blow away. Also good while you're on Castaway for the exact same reason. These things are like super cheap. You can get a whole bunch of them, different colors. Highly recommend these too. Hey guys, help me out. Please subscribe. All right, my number 5 is for parents or messy eaters like this person, me. So Tide to Go pens, lifesavers, just real quick. If you've never used one, they are super easy and efficient. You just squish them and then like that on the spot, and it is perfect. These have not ever failed me with all the different things that I have eaten and gotten on my clothes. This has saved me. So highly recommend getting you at least one, if not two of these to take on your next cruise. Okay, here we are at the bonus. So my bonus is that if you go to Castaway Cay or any place that does snorkeling, bring your own snorkel gear. It's not that expensive, and by the time you rent it twice, well, actually 1.5 times, you would have paid for your own set, and it'd be your set. So these are an Amazon find. These are great for snorkeling. They're really small, really compact. They travel really well. They are not like my big diving flippers that are humongous that were a pain in the butt to take. These are wonderful to take. You know, also mask, snorkel, because guys, snorkel bit goes in your mouth and they don't clean those really well. Not that I've seen. Maybe Disney's better. I don't know, but if it's going in my mouth, I want to know where it's been. I want to know that I've cleaned it or that it's not been cleaned properly. So if you want to do snorkeling, you plan on doing it at least once or twice, just buy your own gear. And if you never ever want to use it again, then sell it later. Tip for you. Again, so I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for all of this stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I'm happy to help in any way I can. I am here to help you have the next best trip. So don't be shy, leave me a comment, ask me a question. I'm here for you guys. Until the next time, shake a tail feather.